I couldn't decide, so I made both. Curry coconut salmon, garlic herb lamb chops, creamy mashed potato, and steamed cabbage Jamaican style. Let me show you how to make it. I've already washed and cleaned my salmon. Now I'm gonna pat dry it with some paper towel. To season, I'm gonna add jerk seasoning, okay? Onion powder, garlic powder, rub this in. Put this aside and allow it to marinate for at least 15 to 30 minutes or however long you got the time to marinate it. And I already washed and cleaned it, so now we're gonna cut this up. I'm gonna leave this one by itself like that. Now I'm gonna season this with my jerk seasoning. Or as I said, you can use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Garlic powder, onion powder, and you just want to rub in the seasoning. So now we're gonna set this aside to marinate, okay? We're gonna make some steamed cabbage too, okay? Potatoes, salt, oil to the pot, garlic. The oil is heated now. I'm gonna add the salmon skin side down if you're using the skin. Cook for about 6 minutes on each side, okay? We're gonna flip. All right. Curry powder. Onion, garlic, bell pepper, pimento berries, coconut milk, ginger, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet powder, perfect. Cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cover for the next 5 minutes to allow that creamy coconut sauce to absorb up in the salmon, okay? Fork tender, add butter. We're cooking these for about 5 minutes on each side. Garlic and rosemary. So lamb chops is cooked based on how you like it done. Well done, medium rare, or rare. I like mine well done. More garlic, rosemary. Add some coconut oil or butter. Add your onion, garlic, pimento berries, bell peppers, crushed red pepper flakes. Scallion and thyme, all-purpose seasoning. So this usually takes from about 10 to 15 minutes, probably 10 minutes. If you want it to produce a lot of liquid or juice, cover it. But if you want it to be like less liquid, cook it and cover, okay? It'll still steam up nicely. Add in some butter, sour cream, garlic, garlic powder, just a little bit. It's looking nice and creamy. Let me give it a taste. Oh God. All done. All done. Wow. Time to plate this up. Amen. Where do you want me to start? The lamb chops or the salmon? I'm gonna start with the mashed potato. Wow. Wow. Here, time for the lamb chops. Wow. So juicy. Wow. A round of applause. Let me get some more cabbage. Nothing fancy, just good food, real dinner and real food. Let me know, would you try this? If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.